Your time is up, I'll tell you why. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, I recreated this really stunning look that Dua Lipa had in her music video, I Don't Give a Fuck. I really loved her look and I wanted to recreate it because you guys always tell me I look like Dua Lipa. I don't know why, but thank you. But this was a really easy look overall, even if you don't look like Dua Lipa. Like, I don't even think I look like Dua Lipa, whatever. You can recreate this look. It's really pretty. It's actually like a really nice everyday kind of look, but a little more extra. So if you're new, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos. You know what to do with a little bell button. You should press it, please. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers, which is a crazy number. I can't believe so many people support what I love doing, and it's just amazing to me. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it so much. Wow, I haven't said that in such a long time, but honestly, without further ado, let's just get right into the tutorial. So I'm gonna be recreating this look that Dua Lipa had in her music video. First things first, I'm just gonna put on some lip balm. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. This has been one of my favorites, the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation, and it's in soft beige. I actually don't mind the smell. I'm super weird and I like the smell of paint, and I like the smell of chemicals. I know that's weird, but that's why I love the smell of this. The only thing it kind of does, and I noticed this lately, it kind of sits right in my smile lines, and I don't have like a huge problem with my smile lines, but it looks like I'm older. I got a new beauty blender. I'm just gonna conceal now. Itch. Oh my god. Ah, it's the worst thing when you're itchy and you already put your foundation on. So, how's your life? Dua's makeup is not that heavy. She just has a normal base, like a normal amount. It's not too much. Some eyeshadow. And she just looks flawless. So I'm just gonna cream contour a little bit, just everywhere where I need a little bit more definition. Now I'm just gonna bake under my eyes and everywhere I put concealer. And I'm also gonna set my contour with a little bit of bronzer. By the way, everything I'm using will be in the description down below, so just check that out. While this is baking, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. Dua Lipa has really like bushy eyebrows, but they're definitely bushier than mine. So I'll just be taking my brow wiz and I'm just gonna start filling in my brow. So I'm just gonna set these brows with some clear brow gel. Hehehe. So for the eyeshadow look, Dua's eyes are pretty simple, so I'm just gonna be taking my Morphe 350 palette. I'm just gonna be taking this color right here and put that all over my lid. I'm going to be emphasizing the outer corners of my eyes with this shade right here. So now I'm going to be grabbing this color right here and just doing what I did before. And I'm just going to blend this in my crease. In the music video, it didn't really seem like she was wearing any like false eyelashes, and I've noticed that she usually does just wear mascara. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes and gonna apply some mascara. I'm gonna be finishing up the face, and I'm just gonna be using some blush. I'm not gonna overdo it with the highlight because she's not wearing much, so I'm just gonna... So I think that her lips are a little bit more glossy. So I'm gonna be using the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Tres Leches. I don't know if that's how you say it, Tres Leches. It's like the most pink lip gloss I have, and hers is pretty pink too. I don't know if I should put a little bit of this. Maybe I'll see. Okay. I think this is a little bit too pink. So I think I'm just gonna keep it at that. Maybe mix in something darker. So I'm just quickly going to straighten my hair a little bit because it's already straight. So, all back like that, all slick back. First, I'm gonna put some hair oil just to like get it sort of in the mood. Go back. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is fun. I don't want my hair to look oily, so that's all I'm gonna put. This is the first time I'm using hair gel, so if this goes terribly wrong, I'm sorry. Ooh. Oh, it's like, it's weird. I'm just gonna spread it all over my hand so it's not too much. Hey, that's not that bad. I'm just going with it, like, I don't even know what I'm doing, honestly. But it already looks kind of good. So her sides are really slicked back, so I'm gonna slick back on my sides. I wish I had like the red button up she had, but this is just a hair and makeup tutorial, so I'm in love with this. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it kind of looks good. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I loved filming this. Don't forget, I love you guys so much, and thank you for all your support. And thank you for sticking around till the end of this video. While you're here, click the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you. And I hope I see you in my next video. Bye!